Well, Lori and Jerry, the DA held a press conference earlier today and shared just how bad those conditions were. He says that the children were malnourished, that they were restrained for more than 20 hours a day. They weren't even potty trained, and that's just the beginning.
Both children had reportedly not left the home in approximately 2 years.
It's a case that's being called child torture.
There were additional concerns about emotional abuse, specifically conducted through isolation and deprivation of normal developmental liberties.
After medical experts say 2 children were in an extensive state of neglect while in the care of their mother, grandmother, and uncle for several years, living in a home on the 700 block of Castle Road.
Both had significant dental issues, and when we say significant, this is an area where words do not fully describe what the reconstruction was.
Ashley and Lori Cardona are facing 17 felony charges and a host of aggravated assault and endangerment charges. Michael Cardona is facing 6 felony charges for his role in the alleged abuse.
There was improvement the moment that they got into the proper, non-neglectful, non-abusive environment.
The suspects were just arrested this morning, but it's a case that spans several years, with the children being taken into the custody of Youth and Family Services after seeing the conditions in the home. The DA explains why it was a lengthy process.
We would have potentially missed key charges, some of which may have included, did we fully establish and could we fully prove actual serious bodily injury inflicted? You need to have all that information.
And I think it's worth noting that we went to the neighborhood where this house is located. We spoke with one man who didn't want to be on camera, but he shared with us that he has seen police at that house before. And although he doesn't know the Cardonas, he was shaken up to hear this happen to the children and that something like this could happen in the neighborhood, and is wishing the children the very best.